name is Bernal Chaves. I am the audio branding director at Publimark MullenLowe in Costa Rica. We discovered too many things, and it's. I think it is a good mixture between nature sounds, uh, animals, wildlife, birds, wind, water, and also our culture. So we needed to find a way to represent the whole thing because it was impossible to uh, represent the sound of Costa Rica like with different things. So we needed to find a concept. So the concept was the embracing experience. We realized that people feel embraced when they go to Costa Rica. So we created this concept, the Circle of Fifths, with the embracing experience. And we try to add different textures, different sounds from the nature and from our rhythm, our culture. And basically, the most important thing that we found is that people feel embraced when they go to Costa Rica. So we try to represent that with the sounds. We used too many instruments. We used ocarinas. They are autochthonal. It's difficult to say that they are Costa Rican because before pre-Columbian age, they were not Costa Rican. So, but these ocarinas were found in our territory. So we can talk about, I mean, that's part of our heritage. We use the marimba, which is also an instrument very popular in the whole Central America, Nicaragua, Guatemala, and Mexico. But it's our traditional instrument. We also use the tuba, which is European. But we have a pre-Hispanic and we have Hispanic tradition. So we use too many instruments from that talks about our heritage. We use the quijungo. It's like berimbau, the Brazilian berimbau, but we have a version in Costa Rica. So what is funny is that we have a lot of mixtures blended in our culture. So since we are a bridge, we're in the middle of North America and South America. Of course, we have like instruments from everywhere. So that's it. Well, personally, it's amazing. I mean, this is a dream come true. I remember 5 years ago, there was no International Sound Awards. It was the Audio Branding Academy. So I remember to watch every single case. I really dream for this moment. So it's a lot. I mean, this is a dream come true. Audio branding is popular in Europe nowadays. It's popular in North America, but in Costa Rica nobody's talk about it. So when I started working in the Publimark MullenLowe, they didn't know about it, and it's really difficult to educate people in the industry what audio branding is. So it's amazing to receive this award because I think this the result of 5 years of hard working and pushing and educating people. So it's definitely amazing. I think that audio devices interaction with voice devices interaction will change the rules of the world and also the mobiles. So um, I experiment that with my daughter. I used to search everything using the Google with my hands, but she is like connected. I don't know how, but with the technology, and she's always like using the voice. So I think that the technology is changing us, and for some reason, I think that they are more connected to audio than us, the millennials or the older generations. I think that the new generations are more connected with audio than us. So they will change the rules of the world.